Hi, hello everyone. My name is Tarun Munagala. I am from Machilipatnam, Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my Bachelor of Technology in the stream of Mechanical Engineering. After that, I have entered into non-technical job. I have worked there for 1 year. After that, I got to know about this Evision Technoserve through my friend, and I have joined in this Evision Technoserve. Here, they are giving internship for many IT courses like CCNA, cybersecurity, virtualization, and Windows administration, and many other things. I have joined in this internship. Their teaching is really good. Uh, they will coordinate with us very well. Here, teaching staff are designated from many MNC companies as managers. They will conduct mock interviews for our confidence. They will guide us very well to crack the job, how to get job and how to face interviews. And now I got the job at Kyndryl Solutions Private Limited, and I got the 3 LPA. I'm really happy for this. I would thank Evision for their coordinations, and they really teach us very well. I would like to thank every teaching staff and Ganesh Murthy sir and Sati Sudhakar Priya madam. Every person coordinate with me very well. I'm really happy for joining in this Evision. I from first I don't know about this ID industry. Here Evision teached us from scratch. Now I'm very confident in this IT industry. They will provide every subject with notes, and they will guide us very well. I'm really thankful to this Evision Technoserve. Thank you.